Okay, this is where this piece is located, on the passenger side rear. See it right there? I have to take off the one hose and the one plug there and slide this piece out. It's real easy to do. Should take about 20-25 minutes max. We'll be right back on the road. Okay, y'all, as you can see, I got the old unit off. This is the old one here. Now what I found out was, on the back piece here, there's a little nipple that goes into the clip up there. Okay, and to slide it off, what I did was I kind of wiggled it up and down while I was sliding it toward the back of the car, and it actually slid right off with no problems. Here's the old unit right here in my hand, and what I'll do, I'm going to turn it around and I'll show you that little nipple that's on the old unit right there where my finger is. And what you do, you just kind of go up and down with it while you're sliding it toward the rear of the car, and what it'll do, the old piece will come right out. What we're going to do now, let's pop the new piece in, plug everything up, turn the code off, and go for a nice ride. Corvetteboyz, y'all. Okay, when you're installing the new one in, once again, you slide it onto the rails. When you're sliding it on, you're sliding it on going toward the front of the car. Okay, this little nipple here will give you a click when you're all the way at the top of the rail. And then it clicks in and it goes on. Same thing with the plug. When you install the plug here, there's a little nipple on top. Press on the bottom of the plug in, and when you hear the click, the plug is actually clicking over that nipple right there. You know you're good to go. With the hose, there's a clamp. You put your hose on first, then you take a pair of pliers and hold your hose clamp and push it all the way up on the hose, back in the same spaces where the clamp was originally. You'll be good to go. What we did, we slid the new piece in. You line everything up on the rails, you slide it toward the front of the car, and when you know it's in, you'll hear a little click. You hear a little click there. That's the new piece in. Now what we're going to do is we're going to install the hose, which is right there, and the plug, and we'll be good to go. We have plugged into the ODB to erase this P0449 code. Alright, so we're just going to scroll from here, enter and exit this, and we're going to go back. We just read the code. It was P0449. We're going to scroll down to erase the code. Okay, enter. Erase trouble codes. Are you sure? Yes. Enter again. Erase is done. Press any key to continue, and we're done with the code. So if we go back up and scroll up to read the codes, it should be erased. Read codes. No codes are stored in the module. Press any key to continue. Corvetteboyz have done it. Everything's all set. Good to go. Till next time, see you guys.